Alright, check 1, 2, we recording? No. Sup guys, it's Josh here. I got Rocket League the other day, and we're gonna play it. So let's just jump into it. I've already played a little bit of it. Actually, a level. I'm a double-digit level. I don't know where I am. I'm in the teens somewhere. But, I'm a semi-pro. Not bragging or anything, but I'm a semi-pro. Alright, so let's do this. So let's jump right into this. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Okay guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully my Wi-Fi doesn't just like crash on me. Oh gosh. Go for it, I'm going for it. Go for it! Dude, you... Oh, wait, he got it. It's okay, it's okay. Noise! Nice shot. That guy's a beast. No, we're gonna stay back because we're too far away. So we're just gonna stay back, get some boosts. Play midfield. Play some midfield here. Do the next Cesc Fabregas. Oh my god, what was that? I think everybody just gasped there. Oh! I can cross it! Cross it! Dang it. Oh gosh. No. Quit. I have no boost. I gotta get this boost right here. That was a close one, yeah. I don't know what I did. I just like ran at it. I just like boosted at it and then kind of just went away. Oh, this is my chance. No! Ah, I got there too quick. I went too fast. Boom! No. Yeah! Oh, that was terrible. I'll admit, that was actually horrible. Oh. No. Oh, I crossed it! Oh, come on, guys! Where are you at? Look, I'm trying to keep it back. Okay, I'm trying to keep it in this part of the course thing. I'm trying to keep it in this part of the field. I don't know if it's a field or a course, but I mean, we're driving cars. So, I mean, I know it's like, football. So, I don't know if it's a field or a course. I mean, obviously your cars. So, it might be kind of like a course. I don't know. Oh, nice. I'm just gonna spam that right there. That was a nice shot. Look at that, just barely hit it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll let him go. And then we'll just kind of chill here for a little bit. We'll just, oh! This could be my goal. This could be my golazo. No, somebody's taking range. Alright guys, I'm gonna fly for this one. I'm gonna just try and fly to it. What? I mean, we got 25 seconds left. There's no way they're gonna score. I don't care if I can see a goal. There's no way they're gonna score. Like, how many ever goals they need. Woo! Oh, I just jumped over everybody. That was sick. Oh wait, that was my bad. So I think the trick is to not always be going after the ball. Like, I mean, if you always like just go after the ball, then... Oh no. Alright, we're just gonna fly. Fly away. Oh yes, I can do my... Oh, okay, we're in the game, We're in the match. Alright, so I'm gonna let him go for it. No, okay, that was a bad idea, I should have gone for it. No. Yeah! No. Okay. We're plugged in, guys. I don't know why my controller gets low. Quickly! Oh! I think I just had an aneurysm. Quit! Oh my gosh, Felix, X, 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 X. Bunch of X's. Oh! Hey, that's me! Oh, it's me! No, no, no. No, it's me again! Oh, it's me again! Oh! Oh, they just come out of nowhere! What the gosh, heck? No! No! Yes! Yes! No! Oh my gosh, guys, that was crazy. Oh, man. So, yeah! We're gonna loop around. We're gonna loop around. Regards is plugging his controller in, I think. Oh! Oh! Oh, he went flying. Oh, it's so funny. Oh. Shut up! Oh! 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 Oh, guys, that was sick. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh my gosh, this is crazy! Nobody's guarding our goal, though. I should probably do it, but I'm a beast attacker. Oh! Somebody saved it! That was epic! It was epic! I got this. I got this. Boom, baby! Boom! Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! I don't know what happened to my voice there. Whoa! No! 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 Oh! Oh! I saved it! Oh! Oh my gosh! Guys, that was crazy! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh! Somebody got wrecked! Oh! Oh, I missed! No, I wasn't on target. No. Okay. Bob Marley, you better quit, dude. You better quit. You're in for a butt wrecking. Hey! You fags. Oh gosh. Oh no! No, 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 that's not good, guys. Ooh, cheeky save. Cheeky. Oh, 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 oh. Eee! God, I just released so much pressure there. Alright, we're back in. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. This is Josh, signing off.